Avatr Technology has launched a new smart digital factory to make car manufacturing faster and smarter, developed in partnership with Chang'an Automobile, Huawei, and China Unicom. Described as a fully digitalized and flexible super factory, it is powered by 5G and artificial intelligence. Avatr says the plant integrates more than 40 advanced technologies, including digital twin systems that streamline its manufacturing processes. According to the company, the factory has achieved end-to-end digitalization. Every tool and production component is connected via a unified 5G network, enabling real-time data tracking and complete transparency from order to vehicle completion. The production line is fully automated, with one vehicle rolling off every 60 seconds. It supports mixed model production and can accommodate 1,280 types of personalized orders across various powertrains, even across different brands. The plant features 369 monitoring systems and 26 quality gates, enhanced by AI-based vision inspection systems deployed across 25 scenarios and 73 workstations. As part of the announcement, Avatr confirmed it will soon launch a new flagship SUV co-developed with Huawei, intended to play a central role in its future product lineup. The company plans to launch 17 new models by 2030, including sedans, SUVs, MPVs, and sports cars, and aims to sell 800,000 vehicles worldwide each year. In 2024, Avatr sold 73,000 vehicles, more than doubling its sales from 2023. Avatr has also accelerated its international expansion, entering 25 countries and regions, including Thailand, Dubai, Jordan, Egypt, and Singapore.